Me and my family, we went to a coffee shop and we ordered 4 drinks. Now, after we were done ordering, the person taking our order, he asked us saying, "Hey, would you like a carrier?" And my parents were like, "Yeah, sure, why not? It'd be easier to hold a carrier than 4 drinks." So, when our drinks arrived placed just like this, my dad was really excited to dig in and start having his until he noticed something. And he's like, "Wait, what's this?" They gave us 2 carriers instead of 1. And what we thought to be an accident was actually on purpose. And the thing was is that without any hesitation, we went up to him and we were like, "Hey, you accidentally gave us 2. Would you like one of them back?" And he was like, "No, no, no. This was on purpose." Now this really surprised me and my family. And he continued to explain, saying, "This part right here, it's thin, it's flexible, it's weak, and it won't be able to support the weight of all 4 of your drinks." Now, while he was saying this, I was thinking to myself, well, why can't it hold the weight of 4 drinks since it's designed to hold 4 drinks? Now, when I was thinking a little bit more about this, I realized that the person sitting up in the corporate office who designed these would have no idea, knowing on the ground, instead of giving 1, they're giving 2. So while the person sitting in the corporate office is thinking, "Hey, I made a cost-effective solution," turns out they're not really saving much. Now, are they? And now, since there's no way of tracking how many carriers you've given away because you don't order a carrier with the rest of your order. But here is where my unique thought comes into play. How about we do the same exact thing, but with a little twist? Now, every time you order your drinks, you could also order a carrier so that they can track how many people asked for a carrier and how many carriers were actually given away. So if you're one of those people who are ordering 3 or 4 drinks and they have to give you 2 carriers instead of 1, now the corporate offices can get real-time data that, well, only 10 people ordered a carrier and we gave away 20 carriers. So now, since they have this all tallied up, they can think of another solution to make this more cost-effective and actually save some money. Now, if you haven't guessed already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I could get my unique thought by just a carrier, or should I say 2, then you can too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open. And this was a true story that happened at Dunkin' Donuts. So Dunkin', if you're watching this, consider changing it up a bit. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you next time.